Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode, guys, okay, as you can see, it's not so much of a DIY again, okay, because I am at a workshop. Alright, so the workshop I'm at is at Kaki Bukit Autobay. It's CAS garage, okay, cars garage. Alright, and over here, okay, as you know from my previous episode, okay, my battery nearly blew up. I have to get professional help. And at the same time, okay, one of my friends was telling me, you got to take care of the car, especially the internals, just as well as you take care of the external parts, okay, all the cosmetic parts. Okay, that's why I'm here today, okay, to change my oil, and at the same time I'm going to do a service which is changing of the gearbox oil, okay, which is the transmission oil, and they call it the ATF. Okay, for BMWs, okay, who have the ZF gearbox, according to BMW, the oil, the fluid is actually lifetime, okay, but according to ZF, it has to be changed every 40,000 kilometers. Yep, and I'm going to change it today. I'm going to show you how they're going to change it, okay, because we have a few very professional mechanics over here helping me out, okay. And for those of you who are new here, please remember to like and subscribe, okay. We'll be bringing you more DIYs, okay, and more mechanical tips, okay, to help you maintain your car better, you drive your car, and to mod your car even nicer. So without further ado, we're going to show you how it's done. Okay, so let's go. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this episode. Okay, so overall there's a significant difference, let me tell you guys. Okay, for those of you who don't believe in changing ATF and all this, I would strongly suggest you will think twice. Okay, because after I changed this, right, I realized previously when I drove this, okay, the gear changes are a little rougher. Okay, what I mean by a little rougher, okay, because this ZF gearbox, right, is quite a good gearbox, but sometimes when you drive it, right, it's like it goes like and your body jerks when it changes the gear. Yeah, I mean, you won't have a total jerk as in a manual car's jerk, okay, but it will be a slight jerk. And after I changed this, right, I cannot really feel the jerk at all. Right, so I'll be driving a bit, okay, because I'm on the way to work, okay. Let me show you what I'm talking about, okay. Like, let's say when I drive now, right, okay, you hear carefully, yeah. I believe you have heard it on your end. I mean, it changes the gear so smoothly that you don't even realize it changes. Yep, and I would say that it is a very good I think it's a very good maintenance that you should do on your car. Alright, and the workshop I went to, okay, it is brilliant, okay, because the owners themselves, okay, both of them, okay, own a BMW. Yeah, and they are very specialized in BMWs. Okay, we actually had a chat together. Alright, and their knowledge about all these cars is it's really crazy, and so I strongly recommend that. Okay, links are in the description down below. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. If you like it, please remember to smash the like button, okay, and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.